Working as assistant teacher in ZP Primary School Shindevasti, Cluster Nabi, Block Indapur, District Pune. Even more, I am working as a tech coordinator since 2018. First of all, I like to give honor to all the dignitaries and the officials who are sitting on the platform and also offering me such platform to share my views and my experience about tag meeting as a tag coordinator. So thank you so much. As a part of a Tejas project, when tag meeting started, at that time there is a little bit difficulty and challenging in my minds. But at the same time, I feel excitement and rewarding too. Because as the tech coordinator, this work gives me more opportunity to build my skills, build my techniques, build my knowledge, and even my experience too. Even more, at the same time, in this periodic time, I got to work very closely with tech teachers. So it was a really great experience for me. One of the prominent feature of tag meeting was that teachers started thinking, teachers started speaking, teachers started practicing throughout in English in their daily routine life. Even more, teachers almost boost their confidence. They are using a variety of words, phrases, some of the grammatical concepts in their daily routine life. So it was the change from the tag meeting. Teachers learn new words, phrases I just mentioned here. Even more, one of the prestigious thing is that teachers started sharing their own teaching learning methods with their peer teachers when they are working in the tag meeting. So this was the very positive thing for us, that they are sharing their teaching learning methods and techniques, because we never ever saw this kind of things in the past, because no one teacher is perfect, no one teacher is fulfilled as a teaching manual. So we have to be adopt some of the techniques from our colleagues. So even more, we have to be also share our methods to our teachers. So this was the positive thing from this tag meeting. We even at the those things happened in the fun atmosphere. Whenever we are meeting in the tag meeting, there was no one to observe you. No one is there for you to find your mistakes. So all the atmosphere is in a fun atmosphere. There is a relaxation there. There is no any kind of hesitation and burden there. Even more, Diet Pune, Rasambhaji Nagar, British Council, our BRPs from our Indapur block guided accordingly. All they have a very healthy correspondence and contribution for success of this project. I especially want to say thank you to the Diet Pune, because they already every time they are sharing their study material accordingly. They are guided us, they are instructed us very well. We always have training sessions from them. So all these things happens with the help of the Diet only. So I just want to big hands for Diet Pune. I like to say thank you to all the tag coordinators also, and even more the tag teachers, because all the success reliable on the shoulder of the tag teachers. They are participating very enthusiastically, very energetically. It is always saying in English that guidance is simple but adopting knowledge is quite difficult, and our tag teachers done that difficult task. So I just want to say thank you and congratulate to tag teachers also. So there is a lot of to saying here, but as a limitation addition of time, I want to say this regret for all these dignitaries and officials. So thank you so much for giving me such honor to say something in this diet. Thank you so much.